People living with a terminal illness have very complex care and support requirements that the carer or the primary person who's involved in their care needs. And that can often be really, really challenging. So the idea of our volunteer services is to try and provide support to make sure that people, one, feel that they're capable and confident to be providing care to someone with a terminal illness, that the person with the terminal illness is able to speak to someone, to be able to have that companionship and that emotional support that they need, going into the final year, months, weeks and days of their life. Yeah, we often get feedback from volunteers that it's a really rewarding role to play, and we understand as an organisation how big an ask that is. We're asking volunteers to go into the home and develop relationships with people who ultimately are going to die, within the next year. But we're always told by our volunteers that they love their role, that they feel like they're making a real difference. I think we all want to feel like what we're doing when we go out in the morning is making a difference to the world. And I think that supporting someone in the final, period of their life is a really, really rewarding thing to do. There's not much more worthwhile than making someone feel comfortable and valued and needed and supported in that period of their life, a really difficult period of time in their life for them and their family. We do need more people, more amazing volunteers now, more than ever, because we're trying to reconnect as communities, aren't we? So if we can have people in those communities giving their time, that we need more of that in society in general, compassion. And I think that our volunteers are out there in the communities doing that, which is amazing.